Since I am such a big enjoyer of murals. Well, here we are. Welcome to Tiny Town. It's probably a little mini episode, but this is like a cool little tourist attraction type of deal. Little landmark. Bill Dickey. Dick. Well, playing in Hot Springs. Our Kens and Bill Dickey joined the New York Yankees. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. 202 home runs? That's crazy. He won a World Series and 6 more as a coach. Lefty Grove. Huh. Ain't that something? And realize Hot Springs had so much baseball legends. That's why they have all those baseball murals and stuff. These guys love baseball. Whoa! I just took a fall. Tiny Town Depot. Huh. That's neat. Wish it was open. The name Tiny Town reminds me of like a place of legend down in DFW, Midget Town, which I'm not even sure the exact location of. It sounds more like an urban legend, but the place I knew as Midget Town, and maybe a lot of people knew as Midget Town, was the old incinerator down on like the southeast side of town. That place was fucking cool. It was like a big old art mural, kind of big graffiti art mural. Now it's being condemned and like not officially, it's always been officially closed, but now it's actually being locked up by the city. They aren't fucking around these days. I was around in DFW at a good time. Shit was fun, easy to explore. But the urban legend about the real Midget Town goes like either it was a family of midgets, like eccentric millionaire short people, little guys who built a tiny town for themselves in their property, or it was just like regular height people and some millionaire golf dude built a little town for his kids or something like that. I'm pretty sure this doesn't have a similar lore. This is probably just like a run-of-the-mill tourist attraction, but it's cool. And I guess that's about it for this one. We're out here at the park today. Early morning, it's almost 8 a.m. I'm gonna go get me some breakfast. Try to finish up a video I couldn't fully do yesterday because they had a wedding going on at that venue. If I get there, you will see what I mean. It's fucking cool. Oh damn, that's an awesome little creek. Look at those murals across the street. Those are really nice. You know what? I will add those in. I'll be in there in just a minute. Go get me some clips. Since I am such a big enjoyer of murals and street art and things of the sort, I figured I'd just stop by here. Appreciate this stuff real quick. This is really cool. Arkansas pottery. Heck yeah, dude. I really like that, how they like fade the colors in. It's gonna be painted on the other side of the building? It is. That's nice, man. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to make a stop in downtown Hot Springs. get some more video of this area. Especially without all the foot traffic, hopefully. It'll make it easier to worry, or like not worry about people not wanting to be filmed and all that. Let's get one of our iconic driving shots through whatever place I'm visiting. That's always nice.
In 1,000 feet, turn left.
Oh, I gotta make a turn soon. Watch out, guys. This is gonna get scary. I'm putting the camera up. Fuck that. It's very nice out here in the morning. They got the art festival
turn
going
left.
on over. That's a cool little mural. There's a spot we hit up yesterday. There's not much to it, but some old foundation for a building. Look at that big old building right there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be turning at the next street, maybe? I'm not even entirely sure. Look at that grand building right there. Nice church. It's a really cool city. Another nice church. Shit. They have a lot of churches here. That's what these southern states are all about. They love church.
Turn left.
That's a shame I can't turn right here. There's literally no one coming from the other side. The other side of traffic ain't even going. Alright, so we are not in downtown. We're a little bit south of Hot Springs, near the dam. I figured we would just finish off the video here. I feel like this trip is gonna be like half and half. Some are just like general, vast exploring videos hitting multiple spots. And then like half are gonna be like dedicated videos just to one place. We'll see how today plays out. Because I only have like potentially 4 in Hot Springs that'll be like cool enough to make their own video. And then I'm looking to hit a couple spots, like a little west of Hot Springs before I head home. Really nice walking trail. Man, that's a really good view of the lake. Oh, that's an awesome lens flare. That's what photographers live for. Aw, they have the little locks and stuff up here. How sweet. I can't even see the dam. Actually, yeah, you can, just barely. Through the trees over there. I'll tell you what, this area stinks. Like, I don't know what the deal is with that dam, but I drove into the park and it smelled like doo-doo. I'll probably hit up the park on the other side of the dam too. Wrap that up. Nice 15-minute vlog across like 3 different spots. And then I will be on my merry way. Heading on down to the chapel once it opens at 9. I pray there is not a wedding today. Sometimes you gotta pray on other people not having success in their endeavors for you to succeed in yours. But that is messed up, no doubt. I want to see how many steps I put in these last couple days. Because yeah, after all this, I'm probably going to hit up the national park. Steps into history. Look closer, you'll find clues to the past. Huh. Oh, so this used to be a home right here. Gentrification is a bitch. They knocked down someone's homestead so they could build a park. How despicable. It's a really nice shot. We shall walk in the doorway of a former home. Oh, I already feel at home. Let me get back to checking my steps. My phone died on me last night because I guess I forgot to bring my portable battery. That was a no-no. I really thought I packed it, but I didn't. At least I think I didn't. I couldn't find it anywhere in my bags. That's always gonna be the first thing I think about when camping from now on. Make sure you have something to keep that phone charged. We have a cool pavilion, little pond over there. Oh wow, this is cool. I had 14,000 yesterday. That's less than I thought, to be honest. Man. It's a really peaceful park. I guess that kind of wraps us up. So yeah, on to the next spot. It's a good sized vulture right there. Big old bird. Let's get into it. We have a friend with us, and I don't even want to do the close up because I have attached the long lens for the end of this video, so it's gonna be especially shaky, but we'll get some cool shots. So don't you complain in the comments, and if you do, I mean, you're just an unhappy camper. I will just take the liberty of assuming you are a generally unhappy individual who is not worthy of criticism being heard or whatever. Look at some geese. Those evil little fuckers from Canada. This is just a bird pond. I guess this side of the lake is bird territory. There's no people over here like the other park on the other side of the dam. It's a really nice morning out here. A little foggy out here. It's like a swamp. There we go. There's the Grand Dam. Ain't that something? Well, man, what an end to this video. I can't really do the outro looking at the camera, but the geese can, yeah, you can look at these geese while I yap and do the outro. Thank you guys so much for watching this wild ride of a video that started with a hike. No, that was a different one actually. Never mind. It started with Tiny Town, that little tourist trap. And it ends with geese. So anyways, thank you for watching. Okay, I gotta zoom out. Deuces. Take care out there. Keep it rocking in the free world. And I will be back soon with another one. This trip is not over yet. That's all I have to say. So yeah, see ya.